Welcome to WordPress. How to edit WordPress website. So you have your website built with WordPress and you want to edit it. You want to make some changes to your WordPress website. To do that, you need to have its username and password. In address bar, in front of your website URL, type wp-admin. Hit enter. Provide username and password. Hit enter. Login. This will open WordPress dashboard, administrator area of WordPress website where you can make changes to your WordPress website. If you need to edit published pages, click pages, all pages. These are all the pages listed here. Hover over any page and click edit. From here you can edit this page. You can't see this page here, contents of this page, because it was made by using Elementor page builder. So to edit this page, I'll have to click edit with Elementor. Then this page will be opened in Elementor page builder. From there, I will be able to edit it visually. You see these elements? I can click on these elements, and then here at the left, I will see the editor where I can view the code, or I can select visual mode. From here, I can edit this. And after that, I'll hit publish to update this page. Everything on this page can be edited like this. You just select the element and update it or change it from the left side. To add new pages, you can click add page under pages and then give this page a title. Here you will type the text, click publish, and this page was published here, just like this. To delete this page, you can click move to trash. Similarly, you can add posts or edit posts. To edit posts, click all posts under posts, and here are our posts. Click edit link under any post to edit that post. To add a post, click add post link. Similarly, type the title, type post content, and hit publish button to publish that post. You can change the theme, add plugins. Theme is here under appearance. These are our themes. Theme is website appearance. I am currently using Astra. This is currently active theme. I can click activate to apply that theme to this website. I can also add new themes. I can search themes by name, or I can choose any available theme from here to apply that theme to my website. And we have got plugins here. I can view installed plugins. These are the installed plugins that I have. Some of these are active. These are active plugins that are currently used by this website. And I can add more plugins. Plugins introduce new functionality to your website, right? So I can search new plugins from here, and then I can install those plugins for this website. So you can install plugins, you can install themes, you can switch themes, you can activate, deactivate plugins from WordPress dashboard, and you can do all sorts of things you can imagine from WordPress dashboard. Keep one thing in mind, you should follow what your website is already using in case of page or post editing. For example, if you edit a page and the page is using Elementor, you should edit the page in Elementor, not WordPress editor. And if your WordPress is using Gutenberg editor or block editor, then you should use Gutenberg or block editor. And if any web page is using classic editor, such as this page, like this is using just classic editor, use classic editor for that page. And here I activated classic editor. If I turned that off and then go to add page, this is the Gutenberg editor. If your website is using Gutenberg editor or block editor, use that. So don't mix up editors. Follow same pattern that your website is already using. Like if site is using Elementor page builder, edit your website using Elementor page builder. That will keep things in order. And also, if you want to make changes to the theme, you have theme customizer in WordPress. Under appearance, customize. It allows you to change look and feel, fonts, header, footer of your WordPress site. To change header, go here. There are some options you can explore. You can change footer. You can make some changes to WooCommerce part of your website. There are menus, widgets, and more. So Customizer is very helpful as well. So this is how you can edit your WordPress website. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.